Hello and welcome to Osaka Famous Spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of the Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kaiyukan. The Osaka Aquarium, called Kaiyukan is one of the largest aquariums in the world. It is located in the Tempozan area and opened in 1990. Kaiyukan's theme is a ring of fire and life in the Pacific Ocean, showing different Pacific Ocean environment. Its main attraction is a huge tank called the Pacific Ocean Tank, where you can see a whole shark up close. This is a very popular spot for visitors. Inside the aquarium, there are different areas for each ecosystems like South America, Antarctica, and Great Barrier Reef. Recently, they have added more interactive display using a digital technology, making it fun for both kids and adults. At night, there is a special event called Night Aquarium, where the lights created a magical atmosphere and you can see the animals in a different way. Around Kaiyukan, you can also find a large Ferris wheel and shopping mall, so it's a great place to spend a whole day. Recently, Kaiyukan has become more popular with foreign tourists as a top sightseeing spot in Osaka. It's perfect not only to learn about marine life, but also as a fun place for the families and couples to visit. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.